Hey everyone, here's our math problem for today. This is an arithmetic trick. Let's say we are asked to find what is the sum of 5 plus 55 plus 555 and repeat the pattern of increasing the number of digits until we arrive at 555,555,555. And you are not allowed to use a calculator. You can pause the video and see if you can find a strategy to find the answer to this problem without using a calculator. Now, let's solve this problem together. We notice here that 5 is a common factor, and therefore, let's factor out 5. Then 5 divided by 5 is 1. 55 divided by 5 is 11. 555 divided by 5 is 111, and so on until we arrive at the last term. Next, our problem is to know what is the sum of these terms inside the parentheses. But notice that there is a pattern again. The digits here are all ones. So this is this first one, the next one is 11, the next one is 111, and repeat until we arrive at the last term, 111,111,111. Now, to find the sum of this, it's easier because after lining them up, we know that if you add 9 ones, the sum is 9. The next one is 8, the next is 7, until this last one here, which is this one. Therefore, the sum of the terms inside the parentheses is simply 123,456,789. So we now multiply that number by 5 so that we can get the sum of the original problem. Now, if you multiply by 5, that is just the same as multiplying by 10 and dividing by 2, like this. And this is easier because 10 times this number can be computed by just appending 0 at the end of the last digit here and divide by 2, and it will now look like this. So 10 times this number is now this numerator. Notice that we now have a 0 digit appended at the end of the original digits. And of course, we have this division by 2. Now, to divide by 2, we can do it like this. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 78 divided by 2 is 39. 56 divided by 2 is 28. 34 divided by 2 is 17. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Therefore, the quotient here is 617,283,945, which is now the answer to our original problem. And this arithmetic problem is now solved. And see the beauty of mathematics.